Did you just update to iOS 17 and now you're getting an alert on your iPhone telling you that your screen may be too close? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off screen distance to get rid of that message. Apple recently added this to help fight eye strain and myopia in children, but also to reduce strain for adults as well. It's not really a bad idea at all, but it can be annoying if you don't always want it turned on. To turn off screen distance, from your home screen, open the Settings app. Inside of Settings, scroll down a bit and then choose Screen Time. Under the Limit Usage section, you'll now see the screen distance option. Choose that. The first time that you head into here, you'll get a pop-up giving you the info on what screen distance is actually doing. It tells you that with screen distance turned on, it helps reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia in children. When it's enabled, it'll alert you when you have an iPhone with Face ID within a certain distance from your face. All it's doing is measuring the distance between the screen and your eyes, and it's never enabling any sort of camera. If you have screen distance turned on, as long as you have your phone about arm length or 12 inches away from your face, then you won't get the pop-up message. When you're done reading, hit continue. You'll then be taken to the screen distance screen, where if it's turned on, you can now turn it off. You may need to put in your iPhone's passcode, but once you do turn it off, you'll no longer get the screen distance alert. And if you don't have screen distance turned on yet, but you do want to enable it, you would do everything that we've already looked at here, and you would just turn the feature on inside of here. When you're done making your choice, just close Settings and you'll be good to go. Now that iOS 17 is fully released, I'll be going through all these new features and making quick tutorials on how each one works. There's some really cool features that I do think are good additions, so I'm looking forward to getting into them. And that's how you turn on or off the screen distance feature on an iPhone with iOS 17.